Hello everyone! Welcome to our vlog! So for today's video is unboxing or we're gonna open Sandra's piggy bank.
From 2023.
Yeah, from 2023. Ito.
From July.
July 2023. It came from the 20% from the store. So, lahat ng kinikita namin sa store, kinukunan ko ng 20% at nilalagay namin dito sa piggy bank ni Sandra.
Look at the cat.
It's her favorite color, pink.
And cat.
So, guys, sa-start na tayo mag-open ng
Piggy
bank!
Because that time she just annoyed us.
Okay, it's okay. So, from 2023 until today.
It is
So,
2025.
yeah, today is May 3, 2025. So, it's been 1 year, more than 1 year na namin ito iniipon. Actually, there are 2 piggy bank, but the other one is nandun sa hindi pa siya puno. So, ito kasi pang lumuluwa na. So, we need to clean up and put in the savings account para sa future ni Sandra. So,
For the BBI.
no, for the BDO.
Oh, I thought BBI.
Okay, so start.
Let's start. You do the honors, Mom.
Yeah, because I'm holding the knife.
Or else, if I do it, I might cut one piece of the money there.
Me too. That's why I need to do slowly.
See, I can. Mom, see, I can already see the shadow inside of it.
Yeah, I need to. I just cut a little bit here.
Then we can just fit our 2 fingers like this, and we can pick it.
Ang dami.
Let me see.
Wait, sorry. Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah, cashy cash. Give me my money.
Give me my money. No, we have to do slowly.
Yes, or else we might cut our fingers. See?
Yung dara tayo, pila mo ni tayo?
Okay. Papel na yun.
Papel, puro papel.
2,000 or 1,000?
Ano na natin? Mag-cheese.
Jis? Ako pa ng July 23, Jis, lugar?
July. Last year?
Oh, 2023 pa.
Ang mabot na mga 20 kapin.
Okay. Tatay guess is ano? Like, let's say, 25,000. Kaya 20 kapin man daw. You Dayo, how much you guess?
No, I don't know. Because that's already been a long time ago. I
Yeah,
forgot
yes.
how. I forgot.
Just give a guess.
Okay, I think. Mom.
I need to press it down this one. It might tap.
1 billion? No, I changed my mind. 10,000.
10,000.
Yes,
Let's
10,000.
see.
I want 10,000. 10,000. Don't like that.
Actually, in-open namin to kasi meron na kaming bagong piggy bank.
Mom, you might cut your fingers. Try to rip it open. Mom, let me try to rip it open. Mom, let me try to.
No, it's very sharp. Oh. Hi guys! Hello! Hello!
Hello.
It's finally open. Malit na butas. Kasi
Yeah.
baka mapunit na yung iba. So let's open.
No, like this.
Okay, you go. Do the honor. Get.
Because you already cut, so.
Okay.
Ooh la
You
la.
can- oh, we will come
500.
together. Slowly, it might trip.
There's so much I cannot even pick.
na to. Tindahan na nagikan.
Mas tindahan na.
Oh, 20% sa tindahan. Slowly, slowly.
Huwag ka balog na na. Ay,
Aba naman siya. Nag-video ko tayo. Okay, my turn na, my turn.
No, this is my piggy bank.
Oh my gosh. A bunch of cash. Sana all. Actually, we cannot consider this.
Tagadlaw na, ben. Dili. Siya musikat.
Tagadlaw. Tuwa ko tagadlaw. Hindi pwede. Bisa pag mong balik, mong halin 50 na ko, ano ko na ko ng 20%. Kumig na ko kunti na ito 20%. Natigong na ako pag maabot ang 500,000. Ako rin pagbaluan.
Ano palil?
Ha?
I can finally have my dream pet, my bird.
What Jimpet? This is for your, ano, for your college.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ano gusto sa'yo?
Ako ko orang kita.
Ah, din.
Ayan.
That's one. Then everything I already. Let's see. One more. No more drops left. It's all finished.
It's finished?
Yes.
Okay. These are the...
Pero ka mo, anak ni mo naliputan.
Ano na sa tindahan?
A million.
So, these are the monies.
We're rich. We can upgrade our house
These are
with
the
this.
monies inside of this 20% savings from the store for Sandra's college.
Wait, change.
Since July 2023 and now is May 3, 2025. Okay guys, so let's start counting the money kung magkano na yung nakolekta natin since 2023 until today, 2025.
Mom, why it looks like a little bit rainbow?
Yeah, that's because it's original money. So you separate all the 1,000. Oh, it's flying.
Mom, there's so much 500.
Yeah.
Let me get all of the 500. Mom, so much. I cannot even hold this. It's too.
Okay guys, tapos na natin bilangin yung pera. Kayo nyo pag bukol segregate yung pera. So ito, meron tayong one portion of 1,000, 500, 500, and dito mix ito, 200 and hundreds. Now, bibilangin natin kung magkano lahat yung naipon natin for almost 2 years. Okay?
Mali.
Ito, 1, 2, 3, go. Mag-iyak, pagbibilang na kami ng pera. Sige.
Rich of money, rich of love, rich of money.
You the Sunday. Holy Sunday.
I want to do the rainbow one.
Here. There. How you go? Bisag nanay.
Just give me my money.
Picturean di ka ba? Sige, picturean di ka? Ha?
Video mo ka na.
Oh, picturean di ka.
Mine, mama, mine.
Ang picture ko na po.
Okay. Okay. So, let's start counting the...
Upan mi kami oh.
Counting din.
I got so much.
Ay, bye. 25.
1, 2,
Nanawalo.
Tanda.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Ako 12. 1, 2, 3,
Sandra!
3,
Sandra!
4.
Nawala yung style lagi. No?
One, two, three.
Hindi po rin ang tayo. Ang 500 eh.
Good money. Good money.
Nahulugan mo na.
Mom, this one is 12. 12. 12, Mom. Yes. But mine are mixed numbers. Mine are
Get
mixed.
the cellphone later. Mag-aaral siya na po.
Let me do it.
Get the cellphone, Dai. Okay, you write there, Dai. You write there 25.
Nahulog mo.
Before na siya, kani 16 and a half.
16,000.
Yan pa mo throw eh.
Get the ano, Dai, the ball pen, Dai.
1,
Dai, get the ball pen.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
16 and a half.
Then how much now? 1. Then how much now? How much? 1, 2,
You
3,
write there
4.
25. You write there 25.
Then you stack them together. Is this a ball pen here?
You know?
Ayan, ako na.
There's a, I can use this.
Then let's keep go.
One, two, three, four,
Come on,
five,
ilang
6, 7,
meeting
8, 9, 10, 11. If there's any more, just put there. I'll do it.
We will throw na that one, Dai. No need to use that.
Let's throw this in the bin. Throw this in the bin. Mama, I'm gonna throw this in the bin. No.
Yeah. Oy! Ikabat na. So, ayun guys. So, tapos na tayo magbilang ng pera. At, ito, nandito lahat yung pera na pinilang natin. Pinabukod-bukod ko na. At sinulat ko dito kung magkano ang bawat bukod ng pera. So, ito total na natin para malaman natin kung magkano yung na-save natin for almost 2 years na 20% galing sa tindahan ko. 25 plus 40 plus 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000. So, ayun, nakalikon tayo ng 67,220. Oh. 67,220 sa almost 2 years natin pag-ipon galing sa 20% sa simple store namin. Kalahin mo, unti-unti lang, paunti-unti lang, pero nakakaipon natin ng 67,000. Diba? Not bad. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord, for this. So, after this, ilalagay natin yung pera sa passbook para sa future ni Sandra. So, at least, kahit bata pa siya, nire-ready na namin yung pang-college niya para pagdating ng college niya, hindi na kami ganun mahirapan sa gastusin. So, at least, slowly by slowly. So, that's it for now, guys. And thank you for watching to our, hindi siya unboxing, basta, opening Sandra's Piggy Bank. Thank you!